These are guys having fun here. Okay, so what will you say to other people that have not been here before? Will you ask them to come here? All right, let me see how much we're able to buy now. We got for 29,762. Here we go. 29,000 naira worth of fuel. Now, compared to our other car, how much do you think we will have spent?
That would have been uncomparable.
Oh, thank God for these little ideas. We quickly decided to jump on it and don't kill ourselves because we want to keep making content. So if we stay with the other car, I'm sure we'll not be able to go anywhere. So the time now is 10:09 a.m. We're leaving Ekiti. We're heading to Oshogbo, and we intend to share some places we will see along the way with you guys. Thank you. Good morning. This is the first bike man with helmets I'm seeing.
Oh, I've been seeing them.
Yeah.
Yes, I've seen quite a few. See another one.
Okay.
See.
Yes, the bike men themselves seem to be wearing, but their passengers are.
No.
Yeah. See another one behind this guy too.
Yeah.
It's interesting that in this city we're seeing a lot of bike men with helmets. Just the bike men, not the passengers they are carrying, you know. Like we see these ones that are just passing us by now. Passing by. A lot of them, which is nice.
It's one of the few states that have that.
Yeah. This is one of the few states where you see people wear helmet, which is the proper thing to do, you know. You're on a bike because your head is the most important thing there. Any injury to the head, you're a goner.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mickey.
Sir.
Let's say I take it.
Sir.
Send me.
I got anything for your boy because you like me. The way you take it to me. It's not by force.
I know.
Sir. It's not by force. I'll go.
And Momo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No.
I like the way you guys do to me.
All right,
Thank
boss.
you, sir.
Okay then.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye. Some reason not by phone, so that we don't disturb each other. Morning.
Hey, what?
Yeah. So these people that look like journalists.
It's not by force, so I'm not forcing you. I'm just saying you effort. Give us something. But doctor, it's not, I'm not forcing you.
And the way you treat me, bless you like me.
Yeah. So just like you give me something.
Use that like I'm converting to some cash. Nigerian police are nice people. In my opinion, some of them. Yeah, it's everywhere in the world now. Some people are always nice, some people are bad people. So it's normal.
Some of them, this is what they want, but they will harass you, like
harass you.
even on the things you have.
So guys, we're on the way. We met a very friendly police officer behind the bit. The guy was nice. I spoke with him. I heard his accent. Kind of threw me off. I thought the accent was Hausa accent. So I spoke a bit of Hausa and realized it wasn't. But he also quickly keyed on the opportunity of of me speaking to him and say, okay, be like, say you like me. Okay, if you drop anything, don't say they force you. You know, that being said, I realized that throughout this my trip, and many trips I've gone on, right? Nigerian police are good people, true. But it's not everybody that is a good person. There are bad people. The majority of the people are good people. That I will say, because I've experienced that. Okay, knock on wood, so it remains true like that.
Google Maps suggested we take the Kogosi Road, and the road will be veering off from now. We decided to pick this route because it is closer to a stop we'll be making.
The Kogosi is right, it's not straight, because the road goes like this. We went like this and made a mistake. Ask one house guy.
Different roads lead in and out of Ekiti. Google Map isn't so reliable in this part of the country. Because of that, navigating our way in and out of the state is very challenging.
So guys, as you can see on the map now, we've taken a different route. We were supposed to take the road that leads you to Kogosi, then branch off somewhere. It's actually a bit of longer route, but we decided to take this one, and this one is like, is it longer? I don't even know. It's longer, I think. Anyway, but
They say it's shorter.
it's shorter. They say it's shorter, okay. Say this road is shorter, so we decided to take this route, and we're on it now.
It's like we're going into Ondo.
Ondo?
Yes. I'm out.
Out way.
Wait, don't worry, you'll see it later.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Are you aware that there's election today?
Election?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, this stage, there's no road. They are going to return you back here. That's why I'm telling you.
Wow.
So
Okay, there's
no
election
road.
going on inside there.
Yes.
Okay, maybe we can take the
The other road.
that road. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, no.
All right. Let me turn. Let me allow this man to.
One of the things we didn't know after embarking on this trip is that we'll be passing through Ondo State, or that an election was going on in Ondo State. Because of this, we were rerouted, and this made the journey even more longer and more confusing.
We'll pass the inside there,
Yes,
right?
like this.
Left now.
Left, when you get to the junction, the rest of the Kogosi Road, they will show you.
Oh, that Kogosi Road. Oh, okay, okay. I know that.
Ibadan, Lagos,
Okay, that means we have to go back to that junction.
Exactly.
Oh.
This is the junction, and in this place, this town, this junction,
In front here.
in front here, you go to the left.
Oh, okay. It's not far from here then. This.
Exactly.
Oh, okay,
You
okay.
turn to the left.
Okay, just front here. I'll ask somebody.
Exactly.
Left. Okay. Thank you.
Now, because of the election, we had to go back and take the Kogosi Road. This is after 30 minutes of long driving. Taking this road, we will be passing through the Arinta Waterfall village.
Look at it there. Our entire waterfall.
So we're going left.
Yeah, we're going left now. So we're going right, sorry.
Right, sorry, it's left.
Look at that man we saw that day.
Yeah.
Continue for 11 kilometers.
That's the man we saw that day at the place.
Ado Ekiti.
Oh, Iwaje. So two different information now. Now, this one is telling us to go right again. This one is telling us to go left. Hold this.
In 500 meters, turn right onto F117.
No. What is it showing us to go? It's showing us to go left.
It's showing us to go left. The right is 9 minutes slower according to it.
Slower. Then this one is faster.
Yes, that's what
Which one did they ask us to go left?
this one.
Yeah, we'll go it.
Turn right onto F117.
Let me see your
In 200 meters, turn left.
Is it straight or this? Okay, it's to the right. Taking us to go off-road.
Head southeast toward Akure Ilesha Road. Asipa.
That was the weekend option. There's a road there.
We are meant to join you.
Okay. Those are left or right there?
Left.
Left this way. Let me look back to that. There's a road to the left. He's saying we should take it or go further. There's another road again.
Let's ask.
Okay. We're almost at the junction. And I'm not seeing the road, sir. The junction. The point, the road is here. We are passing the road now. Take. We are past the road according to. Okay, maybe that's the road. Look at it. Where that car is going to. Just follow it. Welcome to Jesse. Home of Living Spring. You say? Maybe that road will have been a better route. Oh God. This was where he said we should take.
Doesn't they all meet each other.
At a point they meet. This one will go and meet it. That one is also coming to meet at the point before they look at it in the map. Squeeze it together.
There's a hotel here.
Yeah. What's the name? What?
I did not catch it.
Now, my question is, let's ask someone. I don't want us to go blindly. What's the name of the waterfall again? Let me ask somebody. Erin Jesha. Well, she has gone to ask so that we'll know where the waterfall is.
Straight.
You won't believe the crazy places we go just to bring content. I mean, not just content, it's also exploration for us because we have heard or we have seen these places online, and this is our own experience visiting these places. So if I was told at some point in my life, oh, you'll be visiting a village like this, you say no, but here we are. with no guide apart from our Google map and occasional stopping and asking people where the water thing is, you know. So I think there is a intersection in front. There's a small roundabout. We're going, I think we're almost there based on what I'm seeing. But we're going to ask, I think we need to ask before we, any Jeshapo?
Yeah.
Bros, good afternoon. I bet where this waterfall there, like this, go. Thank you. Boy, that was what I was saying. Occasional stopping and asking people, if not, you get lost. Oh, Jesus Christ. I wanted to say that these people are our Google map. I think there's a place to the left we'll be taking right now. Yeah, this place. Welcome to Olumirin Waterfalls. Let's go. Bye. Eh? No. We just want to take picture. We'll come back now. Likpe.
Okay, it's promise you.
Okay. Okay, move on. She is not far from here. Straight. Okay. All right. They are trying to sell us slippers. What's it called again? Drinks, energy drinks. Shower cap, okay. Oh, I don't need that though.
I think they are used to tourists.
People coming and they also know what you want. You may not know what you want now until you get there, realize you need shower cap. Oh God. She said it's not far from here, you know, that it won't take time. So, okay, careful. This our 4-wheel drive Jeep is insane. It has been going places, so we're careful when we enter potholes, you know, like what we just did now. Very careful, so that will not spoil the potholes. Oh my God. Oh my God.
There's a grave in the house.
Yeah. Most people do that in the south and it's done for a reason. Please, I'm hot. Terribly hot.
What's the reason?
Okay, one, the person must have said, okay, they want to be buried in their homes. Two, if you bury somebody in this house, it means that it is hard for you to sell this place to somebody else. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if you want to come and buy it and you see there is a grave, will you buy it? So one of the reasons why they do it, so that you don't sell their property to an outsider. It must remain with the family. Big wheels going, moving on. Big wheels rolling, keep on moving. Big wheels rolling, the future is here. Let me ask this woman where the waterfall. Where the waterfall dey? Okay, thank you, ma. You know why I asked?
Why?
Because that signboard is there and I saw a road to the left. Let not be that we're supposed to go left, then we'll drive all the way down. Straight. Okay, it's still saying straight. Alright, we just reached the supposed waterfall now. Baba Shifto. Baba. Is it okay like this? Wow. How many steps are here?
You don't really count it cut.
Yeah. No, Mama.
That's on flat level.
Okay. I can see that the water is also flowing on this thing.
Yes, like the generator water from the first level to the community.
Oh.
So they are treating it over there. So this is just the waste of it.
Oh, they're generating water from here for the
From
community.
The first level, yes, to the community.
Okay. And how many levels does this waterfall have?
It has 3 major waterfall.
3 major.
Yes. So the other are just like climbing. Like
Okay.
There's no water there. Just climbing.
Okay. So this one is called, what's the name of the waterfall? I keep forgetting.
Olumirin waterfall.
Olumirin Waterfall. Yeah. And what's the name of this community?
Erinjesha.
Erinjesha. All right.
So when you get to the 7th level, you'll be able to view the whole community from there.
Oh.
Looking at it like this.
Oh, okay. That's high up in the...
Yes. So this is just the waste of it.
Oh, this is the waste.
Yes.
Okay, the water comes from somewhere into this place, then goes out. That they treat the water.
The community makes use of the water. The water has never dried for once.
Wow. Are you born? Are you from this community too?
Yes,
Okay. It's in the Ade
yes, we are doing the
local government tourist garden. Okay. Olumirin Waterfall in Erinjesha. Okay. Oh, that's the treatment plant.
Yes.
What are these things here?
They are relaxing area.
Okay. Do people use it? It looks empty.
For occasional like birthdays.
Oh, birthdays.
Yes, and a group of people.
So guys, we finally reached the place. As you can see, this is the place we decided to check out because it is on the way to where we're going to. Decided to branch and check it out. Sorry guys, I'm breathing heavy. It means one is not really fit. Not like this young man here who climbs this place every day. So, if I may ask, how many people do you like take up this place every day?
I used to climb it like twice.
Okay, like two
2 times yes, baby.
a day.
But it depends on the level that they get to.
Okay,
Some people might stop at level 2 or 3.
okay.
While some people might prefer to go to the 7th level.
Wow. So how many people do you find have that goes to level 7?
Let's say out of 100%, like 30%.
30.
30, 40 years.
Okay. We? Do you think you can be among the 30? Okay, the pipe is broken here. You can hear the sound. Me, I'm not sure we will do more than 1 or 2 safe. The splendor, look at how massive. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Lord. Ha. Guys, this is crazy. Look at how massive this is. I think it's going to fall. What town is that?
Erinjesha.
Oh, that's the town. Wow. How far is it from here to say Oshogbo?
Should go, let's say, less than 1 hour.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's just say 1 hour. Oh? Yeah. Hello. You didn't remind me to take my cap. So guys, let's extend you people a bit and see. Be wider. Okay. Going up. Right on. Yeah. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. This is amazing. What is this? Is it a plan that they wanted to build something here, or what?
No. That's the symbol of how the waterfall looks like.
This is how the waterfall looks like?
Yeah.
Okay. Artist impression.
You just got to the first level.
Okay, this is
where they created water to the community.
Okay. I can see the pipe here. Okay, I can see another bridge there, or pipe, or something.
Yeah.
Please, what's your name, please?
Ola.
Ola. So, guys, this is Ola. He is our guide, and he seems to know so much about this place. Can you tell us the brief history of this waterfall?
Yeah.
Okay.
This waterfall was discovered. That's 1,000 years after the birth of Jesus.
Whoa.
Yeah, that was when this water was discovered.
Okay.
And it was discovered by a female hunter
Okay.
from Ile-Ife. She's one of Olumirin's daughter.
Okay.
So she was hunting them with 8 different men.
Okay.
So she's the only woman among them. So when they were in this place was full of bush then. There is no house, no villages there.
Okay.
So she now decided to hunt during that night. So she discovered this first waterfall. She was scared and went back to our people then. So they now consult the oracle.
Okay.
The oracle now told her that there are 7 different levels.
Okay, let's stand this way and continue so that the water can be behind us.
That there are 7 different levels of the waterfall.
Okay.
And she has to keep climbing
Okay.
to get to the 7th one.
Wow.
So she now went with the other colleagues. They discovered the first one, the second one, the third one, to get to the 7th one.
Wow.
So after the 7th one, there is a village where some people are living there. After the 7th one, the village is called Obaki.
Obaki.
Yes, Obaki. That's the name of the village. The village is in Ekiti State.
Okay.
It's no more in this state.
Oh, okay.
It's about,
So after the hill is Ekiti.
yes,
Oh.
about 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours climbing.
Okay.
So when you get there is a pot there, a form of rock,
Okay.
where the whole water is coming out from. Yes, so that's where the whole water is coming out. There's a very small pot there.
Okay.
And the main thing about this waterfall is that when you get to the top level, when you're under the waterfall, the more you shout, the more the water increases. Yes, when you get to the top level, when you're under it, the more you keep shouting, you keep shouting and keep playing, the more the water
Oh, it's dropping.
Yes.
Wow.
And that is the most visited waterfall. Level 3 is the most visited waterfall.
That's interesting. Wow. All right, let's walk a bit. Let's go a bit higher. What stage of the waterfall are we going to now?
We are going to the 2nd level now.
2nd level.
Yes.
Okay.
That one is not really far to the 4th level.
Oh, it's not okay. It's very close to this.
Very close.
All right, we're approaching the 2nd level or 2nd stage of the waterfall. I think I like this stage. Man, the hike is getting tougher. So where are we now?
We are moving closer, about to get to the 2nd.
Okay. See how this rock. Wow. This is crazy. Okay, I can see the 2nd level now. Man, guys, this place is beautiful. I think I'll take some pictures here. Are these flowers planted?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, that's the 2nd stage. We're seeing from here. Wow. This is pretty wet. Wow. Woo! This is nice. Guys, check it out. The second stage of the waterfall. I can see another stage there. I don't know whether you guys can see. There, in between the leaves there is a stage coming down from the hill. The wind here, guys, the breeze here is cold and misty because of how the wind is blowing the water. Cold. So guys, we're heading to the test level of the waterfall. Wow, this climb will not be fun. As if you're climbing how many floors? It's ain't easy. I can hear voices upstairs, up there. As if there are people upstairs. Go. Huh? Okay. Let me wait here. Man.
My leg's burn.
You don't know how high it is. I don't know. That's all. Sanuma. Man, let me catch my breath. Man, my heart is beating.
So that's the third floor we are going to. Eh?
I think so.
I feel like there are people shouting down there.
Yeah. Every floor, get some rest. Is that, are you tired? Man, the steps is not funny. Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, I'm from South.
Yes, please.
You know, interview our pastor. Why big us come? Pastor, I want to I want to record me. I want to record me. I want to record gbogbo program because they ba so won agbe gbogbo jade kente o ye ma. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Can you introduce yourself and why you came with your people to the waterfall?
Let's speak Yoruba.
Yes, sir. Very well, sir.
Orúkọ mi ni Pastor Amos Olusegun Akéwùmí. Mo wá láti Ilé Ifẹ̀ CAC Ọ̀jọ̀yìn DCC. A wá wo waterfall rí. A sì wá gbàdúrà ńbẹ̀.
Wow.
Yes.
So, how did you see the climbing up?
Ó lágbára púpọ̀. Ó lágbára púpọ̀. Ó lágbára púpọ̀. Ìyanu ni Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run ṣe iṣẹ́ ìyanu rẹ̀.
Okay. Okay, so what will you say to other people that have not been here before? Will you ask them to come here?
Mo gbogbo àwọn èèyàn ni mo ń rọ̀, gbogbo àwọn tó ń wò mí àbí tó ń gbọ́ mi. Mo rò pé kí gbogbo àdá ká wá bí.
Okay.
Kéèyàn wá wo iṣẹ́ tí Ọlọ́run ṣe. Kó lè mọ̀ láti yin Ọlọ́run lógo. Mo sì dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn tó wá àjọ wá láti Ilé Ifẹ̀ pé a yin Ọlọ́run lógo.
All right. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
That's Pastor. He just
Amos Olusegun.
Pastor Amos Olusegun. He just told us why he came with his crew to come to the place. He said it's to see the wonders of God. They came to pray. And it's interesting that, you know, when you come, he's also advising others to come and see what this wonder is like here.
cold water.
Okay, man. Let's finish. We'll be back.
Okay, what of free food? Just maybe
I should have worn my cap because now every sweat is entering my eye and it's pepperish. Guys, hold on. All right, let's go. The problem is that the sweat is entering my eye, it's pepperish. All right. Wow. Man, this place is steep. It's as if you're going to fall. You have to keep holding something. Okay, there we go. Just shift, I'll come down. Wow. You're resting. You're resting.
I thought you are posing.
Snap him. Snap.
Just give me your YouTube page.
Okay. These are guys having fun here. Alright. This is the third stage and the very high stage. See how high it is, and we have a lot of people in the water having fun. Wow, we ain't going there. Don't want to get wet. It's almost 1 p.m. I'm sure we'll spend like an hour here before we head out. Up. 7 steps. My leg. I'm sure this is the highest I will do. I'll go back down. I know. I know. Yes, it will. No, I think the reason why is because of this insecurity people here. Imagine me now. It took me how many years before I'm coming here today now. Wow. Every year I will say I will go. Can you imagine? You know? And look at how many people here. Plenty people. Look at what they did to Ikogosi. Yes, yeah, they could do the same thing here. Yeah, that's exactly a week there. Exactly. They can do the same thing. You know how much for a hotel room? 1 room? 85,000. I didn't stay there. When I saw it, I went to stay inside town.
And it's okay. No, it's not.
Yeah, if you have the resources, it's fine.
That's how to generate revenue.
Yeah.
For your state.
Yeah, that's true.
You know how much they are generating for in a month for that place? Internet revenue. At least a month they will generate close to 5 million or 10 million.
More than that.
I'm just saying it.
Yes, more than
10
that.
10 million will not sell some things. Not everything is government.
And it's not just the 10 million, sir. Imagine me that came. I stayed in a hotel inside Ekiti. I've also generated money for that hotel. I bought food. Everybody's getting.
You a lot of things.
I bought petrol. Everything. You are generating money for that state. I imagine. I'm me. All right, guys. Let me show you where people are having fun. Wow.
Your small phone.
No worry, money, water no will spoil, no hurry.
No, you make us stay for you.
Okay. Wow. It's like so much air coming with the water. There are some people up there. My seats here. Well, it's good to take the weight off my feet for a minute. Wow. This place is cool. Let me show you the water. They're all coming out of the water. So tell me, okay guys, this is someone I met here at the waterfall here.
Yes.
He wants to tell us his experience and why did he come here? And how often do you come here? Tell us your name, please.
I normally come here. My name is Oshogbo, popularly known as DJ Don Weezy, because I'm a DJ.
Okay.
So I normally come here, and I've come here to come and party sometimes as a DJ. I came for a birthday party then. So I normally come here because of the fun that we used to have here.
Okay.
So I used to meet many faces, new faces, like new people from different towns, you know, and new people from different places.
Okay, can I ask, are you from Ekiti? Sorry, are you from Oshun here? Are you from?
Yes, I'm from Oshun, Ikeja, Kejuwe, CAC,
Okay.
the founder of CAC.
Okay.
So that's where I am from.
Okay. So today you came with your friends to, is it to a party or just to come and spend the weekend? Right?
We just came here to spend the weekend because presently we are having an occasion in our house, so all my family is around. So my brother decided that I should bring us to this place to come and have some little party.
Wow.
So that's why we are here for some fun. Yes.
All right, guys. So this is DJ Don Weezy. He just told us why he always comes here, and the money you pay is not very much, right? It's just how much you pay.
We paid 1,000 per head. Yes.
All right,
For the fun we are having here, sir, it's okay.
It's more than that.
Yes.
All right, thank you very much.
Welcome.
All right, so that was DJ Don Weezy. He just told us why he comes here or why he came here today. And people are really having fun here. Look at how high the waterfall is up there, dropping all the way down here. 360. All right, we'll just spend some, we'll wait here, enjoy the soft breeze that is blowing from the water, and also enjoy the people that we're seeing here before we go back down. I think this third stage is good enough for me today because we still have like over an hour drive to get to our destination. We decided to stop over at this place because it's one of those places we saw on the map and we felt, why go all the way to Oshogbo where you could stop here and share this experience. All right, guys, we have another person with us now. What's your name? Just tell us your name.
Okay, my name is Adeni Joel Oni.
Okay.
I'm from Osun State, Ikeja, Keju.
Okay. Yeah. But you told me you came in yesterday from where?
From Delta State to Warri.
Warri. That's where you live?
That's where I base.
That's where you base?
Yes.
So why are you here in town? Why are you?
Actually, I'm actually here for my dad.
Okay.
Yeah. My dad is going to clock 90 years.
Wow. That's crazy. Happy birthday to his dad, guys. Let's wish his dad happy birthday. We pray that God will keep us to live up to 90.
Amen.
All right, so you came here with your friends to...
With my bro.
With your brothers? Yeah. Oh, okay. So how long have you been... how long have you been here now? An hour, 2 hours? How long have you been here?
Let me just say an hour.
Close, okay. So how has it been for you?
Yeah, it's actually fun. So when we even came in, I was kind of scared.
Okay.
You know, when I saw my brothers, the courage they gave me, so I just have to, put in and enjoy myself. So I actually believe that's the reason why I'm there.
Okay.
So just to have some look of the place and how the place look like. This is actually my first time being here.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I think the major problem for a lot of people who will watch our video is that they will say, where are you going inside the bush? Are you not afraid, And whether you like it or not, when you come to places like this, you meet people like this who also talk like you, but they had the courage to push and they are here. And you also come and meet them and you sit down and have fun. Now I've met him, so I've known one more person today. So it's one of those things. If you're interested in seeing places in Nigeria, please come out. Don't be afraid. Don't think too much. just step out of your comfort zone and come and have fun.
Yeah, exactly. Even though when we step in, when we go to this place, like I was seeing rainbow. And in my culture, I believe when you see rainbow in the water, which means there's one snake that they used to call Ejola or something like that.
Wow.
I don't know if you know it.
No, I don't.
So they used to call it Ejola. So I was scared, like, that snake is very close to this area. Please don't go into the dark. Please just come out. Let's just be around and have fun. So, but my brother said, no, bro, don't worry. It's fine. This is how it used to be.
Wow.
Like even though if you go to the third mountain, if you go to the fourth, you still see those rainbows there. So you don't need to be afraid. And
I think those rainbows are caused by because of the water particles and the sun. So it creates that breakage of light, and you see that rainbow.
I actually don't know. But to be honest, I really enjoy myself.
Okay.
So I wouldn't lie. I would like to visit this place again.
Okay.
Anytime soon.
All right. Thank you very much for being part of our video.
Yeah,
you are an Arsenal fan?
Of course. Gunners for life.
Gunners for life. We found one again here.
Gunners for life.
Our next match, is it Nottingham Forest we're playing?
Nottingham Forest. Yeah.
We have to do something there because
we got to
win that match.
No matter what is going to cost us, we got to win that match.
All right. Nice meeting you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Nice.
Yeah. One love.
All right, man.
Thank you.
So I just met an Arsenal fan. This is crazy. Oh, nice. At the same time, after speaking with this Arsenal fan, I just feel like dipping my leg inside this water. But I know my shoes will be soaked, and that will not be nice for me because I only brought one pair of this canvas. I was supposed to bring two, but I left one in the house. I was supposed to put it in the car. I forgot. So, well, let's just recoup, gain some energy before we leave here. Can you see the water? This is mad. Look at how high the water is. I actually left my drone in the car, and when they told us we have to pay a fine or a fee for bringing our cameras in here, I told them no, but the guy I spoke with told me not to worry, he will take care of that. So that's why we're actually shooting with our cameras here. It's nice though, nice. So it's time to leave here now. All right, the climb begins. It's not easy coming down from this place. But it's way easier coming down than going up. Do you know that this is one of the few cities in Nigeria that actually embrace tourism? Even when we just entered the village and we're talking about the water, people knew where we were going, and they had people who were selling slippers, swimming trunks, drinks. I mean, it is nice to see that these people have embraced this tourism. Look at how many people we found up there when we went there. Mad. All right. Wow. People come here. People come here. We're done with this view, this place, and now we're going to the capital city.
Aye, my business.